To understand the power of compounding, let's consider an example of a monthly investment. Suppose Meera decides to start a monthly investment of Rs 10,000 with an assumed return of 12%. She plans to continue this investment for a period of 20 years. After the first month, Meera's investment will grow by approximately Rs 95, making the value of her investment Rs 10,095. In the second month, she invests another Rs 10,000. And the first month's investment of Rs 10,095 also generates a return, making the total value of her investment Rs 20,286. This process continues month after month, with the returns on previous investments adding up and compounding. Here's a glimpse of how Meera's investment would grow over time. After 1 year, investment value Rs 1.28 lakh. After 5 years, investment value Rs 8.11 lakh. After 10 years, investment value Rs 22.40 lakh. After 20